All right, futures under pressure ahead of the open here on Wednesday prior to the Fed. S&P futures down 0.07%, although they're down very close to unchanged. Dow futures down by 0.08% and Nasdaq down by 0.18%. So all slightly in the red, but all very, very close to unchanged. Chances are all of this is going to change after the market reacts to the Fed decision. Let's go ahead and take a look at some cues from last session. Energy, information technology, and consumer staples stocks recorded the biggest gains on Tuesday, while healthcare and industrials bucked the trend and closed lower. The Federal Reserve Open Market Committee's two-day meeting ends today with investors eyeing a rate cut decision and Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech in the afternoon. Again, the thought here is that we're going to get a cut. I believe that's near 100% here. Really, it is going to come down to his speech and then the question and answer section. That's likely where we're going to see the most volatility today. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury bond yielded 4.2% and the 2-year bond was at 3.62%. Now, we do have several stocks in focus here, and the first one is the meme daddy, I guess we'll call it. That's, of course, GameStop, ticker GME. It dropped 6.38% in the pre-market on Wednesday after posting third quarter revenue of $821 million. That missed analyst estimates of $987.28 million. And it also posted a 24% per share, earnings per share, which beat the analyst estimates of 20 cents. GE Verona, I do this every time. GE Vernova, beg your pardon, ticker GEV, that jumped 7.72% after it doubled its dividend and raised its multi-year outlook. As part of its 2025 investor update event, GE Vernova announced a series of updates, including strong guidance looking all the way out into 2028. Adobe, ticker ADBE, is the next stock on our list here today. That was 0.02% lower ahead of its earnings scheduled to be released after the closing bell. Analysts expect $5.39 per share on revenue of $6.11 billion for the last quarter. Oracle's the next stock on our list. That's ticker ORCL. That rose 1.07% as analysts expect earnings of $1.64 per share on revenue of $16.22 billion. Both of those reports, Oracle and Adobe, coming after the closing bell here today. The last stock on our list here is Braze. That's ticker BRZE. Shares climbed 15.37% after posting better than expected revenue for the third quarter and raising its 2026 fiscal guidance.